Now, welcome again, you all. I'm coming. I'm going up. See the how the coconut tree. Now I have to go up. Little bit up is that, but I have to go. You have to move further. See, full jungle, forest up, and here metal nut tree. Even forest, some side of there is a trees. They put more trees before it was less, but now they understood that to water should be remained here only. They put all the trees and this thing so that water erosion will stop. She's a girl from here only. She was original. She's my brother-in-law's and my sister's daughter, Lalita. So you can hear sound of buses and this thing. The main road which goes to Madikeri, that is Coorg, is beside this. From here you can go within 2 hours. You can reach Madikeri, means that is a Coorg, you can tell. Within 2 it will take maximum 3 hours, not about that. Some years back, means I had went I think thrice to Coorg, but when I am young, that time I came with my daughter. That time we went by bus. That was enjoyable. Now time change. We also change according to time. Children take by their car and they move. We move. Oh, boundary ends here, I think. Boundary ends.
Factory.
Which factory?
Cement brick.
Some brick factory or something is there beside that, near road, I think. Okay. Thank you.